مرحبا أهلا وسهلا أنا جهيد. Hi, how are you? I'm Jahid. Welcome to my channel. Let's learn Arabic with Jahid Institute of International Languages. In this lesson, we will learn about possessive adjectives in Arabic. Are you ready? Let's start. What is a possessive adjective in Arabic? A possessive adjective is an adjective that modifies a noun by identifying who has ownership or possession of it. Possessive adjectives in Arabic is الضمائر المتصلة بالأسماء. I analyzed it in the last lesson. These are possessive adjectives suffixes in Arabic. E, it means my for masculine and feminine. This suffix na, it means are for two persons, maybe male or female. This suffix ka, it means your for masculine. This suffix ke, it means your for feminine. This suffix kuma, it means your for two persons, maybe male or female. This suffix kum, it means your for masculine plural. This suffix kunna, it means your for feminine plural. This suffix hu, it means his for masculine. This suffix ha, it means her for feminine. This suffix hu, it means its for masculine nouns. This suffix ha, it means its for feminine nouns. Huma, it means their for two persons, maybe male or female. Hum, this suffix hum, it means their for masculine. This suffix hunna, it means their for feminine. هذه دراجتي. هذه دراجتي. هذه دراجتي. It means this is my bicycle. هذه, it means this. دراجتي, it means is my bicycle. دراجة, it means a bicycle. This is possessive adjective suffix. It means my. هذه. In the previous lessons, under the title of demonstrative pronouns, I explained why we can't use هذا instead of هذه. In the last lessons, I illustrated the differences between هذه and هذا. هذا منزلنا. هذا منزلنا. هذا منزلنا. It means this is our house. هذا, it means this. منزله or منزل, it means a house. Na is a possessive adjectives suffix. It means our. منزلنا, it means is our house. هذا كتابك. كتابك. هذا كتابك. It means this is your book. كتابك. كتاب, it means a book. This is a suffix. It means your. كتابك, it means is your book. هذا قلمك. قلمك. هذا قلمك. It means this is your pen. قلم, it means a pen. قلم plus k is a suffix, as I said before. قلمك, it means is your pen. هذه سيارتكما. سيارتكما. ر تو كو ما هذه سيارتكما. It means this is your car. سيارة. سيارة. It means a car. كما is a suffix. It means your for two persons, as I said before. سيارتكما. It means is your car or your car. بيتكم قديم. بيتكم قديم. بيتكم قديم. It means your home is old or your house is old. بيت. It means a home or a house. كم is a suffix. قديم. It means old or is old. بيتكن جديد. بيتكن جديد. بيتكن جديد. It means your home is new or your house is new. بيت or بيت. It means a home or a house. كن is a suffix. بيتكن. It means your home or your house. جديد. It means new or is new. هذا كلبه. كلبه. هذا كلبه. It means this is his dog. كلبه or كلب is a dog. Who is a suffix. كلبه. It means his dog or is his dog. أبوها قوي. أبوها قوي. أبوها قوي. It means her father is strong. أبو. It means father. ها. It means her. قوي. It means strong. عشه صغير. عشه صغير. عشه صغير. It means its nest is small. عش. It means nest. Who. It means it's. صغير. It means is small or small. عشها صغير. غرفتهما كبيرة. غرفة ما كبيرة. غرفتهما كبيرة. It means the room is big. غرفة or غرفة. It means a room. هما is a suffix. كبيرة is big or is big. ساعتهم جديد. ساعتهم جديد. ساعتهم جديد. It means their watch is new. ساعة or ساعة. It means a watch. Home is a suffix. It means their. جديد. It means new or is new. قلمهن هنا. قلمهن هنا. قلمهن هنا. It means their pen is here. قلم or قلم. It means a pen. هن is a suffix. It means there. هنا. It means here. or is here. ساعتهن هناك. ساعتهن هناك. ساعتهن هناك. It means their watch is there. ساعة or ساعة. It means a watch. هن is a suffix. It means there. هناك, it means there or is there. Now I'm going to use كتاب with possessive adjective suffixes. Let's see. كتاب. كتاب, it means a book. كتابي, it means my book. كتابنا, it means our book. كتابك, it means your book. كتابك, it means your book. كتابكما, it means your book. كتابكم, it means your book. كتابكن, it means your book. كتابه, it means his book. كتابها, it means her book. كتابه, it means its book. كتابها, it means its book. كتابهما, it means their book. كتابهم, it means their book. كتابهن, it means their book. Another example for more clarification, we use قلم. قلم, it means a pen. قلمي, it means my pen. قلمنا, it means our pen. قلمك, it means your pen. قلمك, it means your pen. قلمكما, it means your pen. قلمكم, it means your pen. قلمكن, it means your pen. قلمه, it means his pen. قلمها, it means her pen. قلمه, it means its pen. قلمها, it means its pen. قلمهما, it means their pen. قلمهم, it means their pen. قلمهن, it means their pen. شكرا لكم. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.